Today, we're diving into the latest leak about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus and its battery capacity. Spoiler alert, you might be disappointed, especially if you were expecting a battery upgrade over last year's model. Let's break it all down. In less than 4 months, Samsung is expected to reveal its next generation Galaxy S series smartphones. Among the models that will make an appearance is the Galaxy S25 Plus. While we've already heard some leaks about the camera, design, and performance improvements, the latest buzz revolves around the battery. According to a report from Galaxy Club, the Galaxy S25 Plus will feature a battery with a rated capacity of 4,755 mAh. If that number sounds familiar, that's because it's exactly the same as its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Plus. Samsung is expected to advertise it as a 4,900 mAh battery, just like they did with the S24 Plus. Now, before we get too disappointed, it's important to note that a 4,900 mAh battery is still pretty solid for a thin and light device like the Galaxy S25 Plus. In fact, the Galaxy S24 Plus, with its 4,900 mAh battery and foreign chip, has been shown to last an entire day even with heavy usage. That's impressive performance, especially considering how much we use our phones for everything from streaming to gaming and multitasking. So what does this mean for the Galaxy S25 Plus? Well, the new model is rumored to come with a more power-efficient 3M chip, likely the Exynos 2500 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, depending on the region. With this more advanced chipset, you actually see even better battery life, despite the battery size staying the same. In other words, even though Samsung isn't boosting the battery capacity, the improved power efficiency could give us a longer-lasting phone overall. Interestingly, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is also expected to stick with the same 5,000 mAh battery as the S24 Ultra. This seems to indicate that Samsung is focusing on improving battery life through software optimization and better chipsets, rather than by increasing the battery size. However, if we compare this to some of Samsung's competitors, the difference is clear. While competitors may offer larger batteries, Samsung's high-end phones typically last longer on a single charge, largely due to more efficient software and better power management. This strategy may not sound as flashy as a 6,000 mAh battery, but in the real world, it often translates to better day-to-day performance. In another recent leak, popular tipster at Universeas revealed that the base model Galaxy S25 will have a 4,000 mAh battery, which again is the same as the Galaxy S24. This might be disappointing for some, but it's not all bad news. The Galaxy S24, with the same battery size, already offers good battery life, lasting a whole day on moderate usage. What's more interesting is that Samsung is managing to keep the same battery size, even though the Galaxy S25 will reportedly be 1mm thinner than the Galaxy S24. That's pretty impressive, especially considering how thin and light flagship phones are becoming. This also means that despite slimming down, the Galaxy S25 will still offer solid battery life. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will also be slimmer, but with a slightly thicker camera ring at 2.4mm compared to the S25's 1.8mm. We're also waiting for official confirmation on the phone's pricing and its exact launch date, though we expect it to be unveiled early next year. As for the design, we've already seen some leaks showing that the Galaxy S25 will be one of the thinnest flagship phones ever, which is exciting for those who prefer sleek, lightweight designs. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. it might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.